This is me, and I'm about to try to replace myself. But don't tell my wife. I don't want her to get too excited in case this doesn't work. She'll just be let down, and frankly, she's used to that by now. So what I actually mean is that I'm gonna let AI try to clone me for video. Well, specifically the parts of the job that require me to be awake and vaguely charming on camera. Aww. Here's my confession. I have no idea if this is going to work. So what I figured is, you want to know, and we're about to find out. So why suffer alone? So what even is an AI video clone? Well, basically you record yourself one time and then you feed the original footage to a tool like HeyGen. And HeyGen builds a digital avatar that you can deliver any script that you type without ever having to be on camera ever again. It makes videos of you in perpetuity. And so why does that matter to you as a real estate agent? Well, come here. Well, let me ask you something. When was the last time you took a new headshot? It was during the Obama administration, wasn't it? I mean, listen, you look stunning and you're never updating it, and I totally respect that. Well, AI video clones, they are kind of like the video version of that. You show up once on your best hair day and you capture yourself on video, and that video version of you lives on going to work for you forever. But vanity aside, the real value here is that AI video clones promise to remove the friction of creating video content. If you're anything like me, well, you feel like you never create enough video content. Not because you don't know that you should, but pulling out your phone and looking presentable and delivering something coherent, well, like it's a whole thing, every single time. AI clones promise to remove that friction. You feed the tool a script, and then AI generates video content for you. Or you can get the ultimate leverage. You can leverage the process out to someone on your team, and they can create content for you. Within an afternoon, you can scale yourself and get weeks worth of content in just minutes. Or you can use it to catfish on one of those like swipey apps. But I'm telling you right now, don't do it. Don't do it. I know at least one of you is going to though. So producer Tyler is here. And the reason why Tyler's here is because supposedly the better your original footage, the better your AI clone. Professional lighting, professional audio, professional everything. And so I figured, hey, if I'm trying to live on forever like Heath Ledger, I should give myself the best odds of achieving that. And that means inviting someone significantly smarter than me to help. And while that's not exactly a high bar, producer Tyler clears the bar comfortably. So I don't know if this is gonna work, but my guess, I think it'll be an 8 out of 10. I think the video quality will be good. I think it'll be good enough for my database, but I think that my close friends will be able to tell the difference. So let's find out. Let's load the green screen footage first. Name your avatar. I guess I should name it Eric Forney. I haven't come up with a better name yet. I hope that AI makes me better looking and gives me a really cool voice. What voice would you want? Chris Stapleton? Morgan Freeman? Add sample script. Okay, cool. When you realize you want to spend the rest of your life with somebody, you want the rest of your life to start as soon as possible. Let's try that out, I guess.
So it's crazy. When you realize you want to spend the rest of your life with somebody, you want the rest of your life to start.
Sounds like me, I think. Could have been acted a little more effectively, but let's go with auto enhance. I have no idea what that means, but I'm enhancing the voice. I'm not gonna lie, I hope this would be a little easier. I don't like to work this hard with technology. I like it to be a little bit more idiot-proof. That's kind of what I need. Interesting. So it gives me this option of replacing the avatar or adding a look. I don't know what adding a look is. We're 15 minutes deep and we ain't got nothing.
Try the remix version while we wait on that one to cook. Oh, that's not me.
It took some creative liberties here. For sure.
Very AI.
Yeah, that would not work.
This is the green screen version of my AI avatar that you created in Sugar. Do you think this looks and sounds like me?
What do you think? No go?
That's the mouth.
What is it?
That's the mouth is.
Oh, really?
That's the mouth. This is the green screen version of my AI avatar that we created in HeyGen. Do you think this looks and sounds like me?
It's where my mouth opens wide, isn't it? My mouth doesn't actually open that wide. I talk out of one side of my mouth. I don't have the ability to open both sides.
of my AI avatar that we created in
I don't-
Do you think this looks and sounds like me?
That's true. I can't talk out of both sides of my mouth. That's right. But listen, I ain't trying to go. I'm not trying to go get an education on this. I'm trying to make it easy. That was the. I mean, if you think about it, that's the beauty of ChatGPT. It made AI accessible and simple. You just use natural language, and I don't feel like this is natural language enough. I expected this to be easier. I really did. Considering I feel like we did the legwork on the front end by making the video quality as good as possible. All right, I'm gonna open it in AI Studio again. Try, see what it does. I'm gonna give it a script. I'm gonna go with the same script. This is the professional camera version of the AI avatar that I created in Hey Gen. All right, we're gonna generate it. This is professional avatar video. Submit. All right, so we are 28 minutes in. Okay, this one looks like it's done.
Share what you think. Hope you enjoy it. Hola, Eric Forney. Tu Digital Twin está listo. Intenta crear videos con él. Además, haz clic en el botón de comentarios para compartir lo que piensas. Espero que lo disfrutes.
Muy bien.
リンクフォーニーさん、あなたのデジタルツインが準備しました。ビデオ作成を示してください。
That one's better because it's further away, so you're not so focused
Yes.
on facial expressions.
True, very true.
And
it's better because I've never been so good at foreign language in my entire life.
like,
I could finally go to Chi-Chi's and order the arroz con pollo. I think you're right. I think the fact that it's further away
yeah,
makes the quality pass much more effectively. Okay, here we go. This is the professional camera version of my AI avatar that we created in Hey Gen. Do you think this looks and sounds like me? I mean, the mouth movement was better, but it was about as expressionless as possible, which doesn't take
the
long.
hands.
This is the professional camera version of my AI avatar that we created in Hey Gen. Do you think this looks and sounds like me? True, my fingers do not look like that. Now, I don't know.
Manicure feet back there.
This is the professional. And let's be honest, I'm way too rugged and my hands are far too callous from all the hard work for those to be my hands. Delivery style auto enhance. I could turn off the auto enhance. I don't know.
Well,
Let's see. Here's the preview. This is the professional video version of my AI clone. Does this look and sound like me? Turn that off. We'll turn off the auto enhance. Dude, I could use the enhancement though. This is the professional video version of my AI clone. Does this look and sound like me? Yeah, that's a better version. You're right. Okay. Auto enhance is try hard.
39 minutes.
39 minutes. We are still trying to get a usable product.
Said to have made some calls to your sphere, but
But Tyler, I could have talked to someone who wanted to buy or sell real estate, but why would I do that when I could?
once you figure this out, you'll be able to talk to all the people.
You know, I'm doing a really good job of avoiding work. By
But if you just close one deal from it,
That's true. I should totally realtor math this, right? Just, if it gets you one extra deal, it was totally worth 39 minutes to get here. Okay, here we go. What's this one? All right.
not the lip bite.
This is the professional video version of my AI. Does this look and sound like me?
That's the best one.
That
yet.
one's good.
That one's the best for sure. Okay. I have a feeling that this. Oh, my eyes are really scary in this one.
Interesting how it crops in.
I can change it to this. Oh, but still. I don't quite understand why it auto defaults to vertical, other than the fact that, yes, vertical is probably the most likely format that most people are going to use. But what's odd is it doesn't really even give me the option to zoom myself out.
I feel like you should be able to chat with it.
That's a good point too. That's very true. Why would an AI forward company not have an AI forward chat interface that would allow me to create what I want? Oh, there we go. We're at the hundo.
Hey, Eric Forney, your digital twin is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Hola, Eric Forney. Tu digital twin está listo. Intenta crear videos con él. Además, haz clic en el botón de comentarios para compartir lo que piensas.
I mean, it's better.
Visually, it's good.
Konnichiwa, Eric.
Visual part helps, I think is good there. The audio wasn't.
1 hour of prospecting.
But the guy on YouTube told me that it was going to be so easy.
Yep.
Big reveal. Let's see how it is. iPhone version.
This is the iPhone version of my agent avatar. Do you think this looks and sounds like me?
The visuals are okay in that one. The voice is not doing it for sure. Now what happens if we spend time trying to manicure this and learn it better? Because at this point we've only invested several hours into trying to make this work. Honestly, if I were an agent, I'd have to want to do this so far in my spare time in order to do it. It's different obviously for me because we're doing this project as a project for a purpose. After a few days and countless YouTube videos by paid grifters, I'll show you the best that I was able to come up with. And to create this 30-second clip I'm about to share, it took 5 separate tools. I used the Monday Market Intelligence play to write the script. Then I had to voice the script because, well, Heijen was never able to nail these pipes. Then I had to edit the video, add B-roll, and add captions. I used CapCut for that. And I still would have to post it. And to do that, I need to reformat it. I need to add some trending audio and come up with a thumbnail. And oh yeah, I'd have to write a creative caption, the absolute worst part of it all. And as you'll see, the more I buried my avatar under B-roll, the better it looks. Indiana recorded the highest foreclosure rate in the US in February, more than double the national average. And Indianapolis ranked 3rd among metros at 1 per 1,200 homes. This increase in foreclosures is happening despite the state topping affordability lists. Median home values hover around $283,000 and have a projected 2.9% annual growth. High mortgage rates over the past 3 years, along with economic strains, have contributed to the increase in distress. If you or someone you know is struggling with their housing payments, there may be options to help. Contact us today to learn about the ways that we can help relieve some of that stress. Well, in conclusion, I say the workflow is brutal. You know, today you're still gonna have to use multiple tools in a few hours of work, like every single time, multiple hours. Or you'll need to get a producer, Tyler. So the good news is your videographer's job is safe. But the bad news, if you're unwilling to call your database, you're still gonna have to do your hair and makeup.